them upward. So up you go. Can you see all the space that has been found? Can you see them? Yeah, so this was all the space that was beneath all those things. So this is, yeah. So now we also have to merge the icon and the phone number. So merge them also together and then move them upward. So let's add it. I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, let's move it on. So guys, I'm coming, please. I want to repair something. I feel like I didn't repair the right thing. Like the menu chops was supposed to move a little bit upward. So position 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Also position the 2400. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The samosas also on sprinkles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, so this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. So now we merge them together. So merge, and let's move them upward. Let's move them. Yeah, so this is okay. Let's move it down a little. So this is okay, guys. So now let's merge the icon. Let's merge the icon and the phone number. Let's merge them and also move them upward also. So let's move them upward also. I think this is okay. Let's see it. No, let's move it down a little. So 1 2 3. Yeah, this is okay. So now for the deliveries. So for the deliveries, I think we should reduce the size to 22 maybe. But let's see how it goes. It's already in 22. Yeah. So I think, and then bring it here. Change the color to this now. So let us freeze all of this. So I say freeze, I mean lock. So everything has been locked now, so close it. So now we come here. Let's zoom in. So everything, let's reduce the size. I think this. I think 17 will be okay. Yeah, 17 is okay. 17 is okay. So let's based on this is okay. We have to move the icon also above a little because it's too low. So I think, yeah, so size, yeah, so this is okay. This is okay. I'm coming, guys. So guys, I'm back. It was a little problem that happened, so now everything is resolved. So let's continue. So as I said, let's maybe 15. Let's just leave it in 15. So I want you to come, excuse me, I want you to come to style. Then we want to bolden the MB, so just bring back your, so let's bolden it, and that's all, guys, I think, for today's design. So guys, we've come to the end of today's design, and look at how our design came out. Isn't this so good? So you see, you can advertise your designs to a lot of people, you know, a lot of things, and nobody will even be like, you didn't even create, like nobody will judge you. and be like, you didn't create this yourself. You can just show them. I learned this with a tutorial of Maria Graphic Design Tutorials, and she taught me this, and this is what I created from her videos. So you see, you can learn a lot of things from my channel. So please make sure you refer other people to my channel so they can learn all these amazing designs you're learning from me right now. So guys, I think we have come to the end of today's video. See you, bye. So now for the saving part. So save as your project. So let's just save it as tutorial. Okay, it has been saved. So now let's save the image to my gallery. So ultra, saving. The image is saving. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also share it to family and friends who you know need this. So see you on Thursday. Bye.